Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Nagaland government has decided to converge activities of the agriculture and allied sectors to improve the economy of the state, which has deteriorated as a result of COVID-19 triggered lockdown. The functioning of the departments of agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, veterinary, dairy development, and fisheries like cohesion, and the state government is trying to make them work unitedly. Agriculture and Cooperation Minister G. Kaituaye yesterday told PTI that the decision was taken at a meeting chaired by Chief Minister Nipirio. He said, with more than 70% of the state's population being agrarian, the meeting has decided to come out with proper convergence policies and program of the agri and allied departments so that the focus will be on improving the overall productivity of the state. He said Nagaland is dependent on other states for supply of essential commodities, but now we are facing the challenge of COVID-19 pandemic and the state can be self-sufficient in food products with focused activity. Nagaland Chief Minister Nipirio yesterday inspected a reception center for people returning from outside the state and also the quarantine centers at Agri Expo site, Dimapur. Rio visited the kitchen where food is being prepared and served to the returnees and also the hall where medical screening is being done. Rio also visited a new DC's office complex presently converted into a quarantine center. He expressed satisfaction with the overall arrangements made and lauded the district administration, police, civil societies and all concerned for their contribution and participation in the fight against COVID-19. The Chief Minister was accompanied by Deputy Chief Minister along with a host of cabinet ministers, advisors and government officials. With the citizens of Nagaland stranded outside the state starting to return home, Nagaland Chief Secretary Demjan Doi, as per advice from the medical department, has informed that 70% of the stranded returnees from different states would be quarantined at Dimapur, while 30% will be at Kohima. He said this during an emergency meeting of all civil societies of Dimapur convened by Chief Minister Nipirio to seek their views, concerns and suggestions with regard to COVID-19 at Dimapur yesterday. The Chief Secretary has also advised the district administration to bring out guidelines on the use of personal protective equipments, wearing of masks, and to educate the people who are helping the government in various works in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Following the centre's decision allowing special train services to transport stranded people from across the country to their respective states due to the COVID-19 lockdown, the first batch of 26 people arrived in Nagaland today. Of the 26, 21 were passengers of Nagaland and 5 of Manipur. They reached Dimapur railway station in the special Delhi-Dibrugarh Rajdhani Express at 3:20 a.m. this morning. On arrival, they were screened at the reception centers in the railway station. The 21 Nagaland passengers were taken to the quarantine center in Agri Expo side, while 5 from Manipur headed for their destination in a private vehicle. Meanwhile, another group of 190 persons from Nagaland stranded in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh arrived at Dimapur by road late last night. After completing the necessary procedures at the reception center at Agri Expo site, all of them have been assigned designated quarantine centers. Nagaland Principal Secretary Home Abhijit Sinha has said that the state government has decided that any stranded person of Nagaland outside the state who has already registered in the returnees declaration form before 12 noon of 11th of this month and presently staying outside the northeastern states and also those stranded in Sikkim will be allowed to apply, and who voluntarily opts to stay back at the present place will be given a one-time assistance of 10,000 rupees. He informed that anyone who wants to stay back and avail this one-time assistance may go to the iamstranded.nagaland.gov.in portal and fill up the one-time assistance form by providing the requisite details. Deputy Commissioner of Kohima Gregory Tajavele, while taking cognizance of the violations of safety and preventive measures notified by the government, has strictly prohibited the sale of gutka and other tobacco products and spitting in all public places in Kohima district with immediate effect. In an order, the DC said, violation of this order is punishable as per Section 51 of Disaster Management Act and Section 188 of IPC. He said defaulters will have to pay huge fines. Assam's Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that 15 more people have tested positive for COVID-19, taking the total cases to 79 in Assam. All the 15 had come in contact with a migrant worker from Guwahati's Fancy Bazaar who tested positive for the disease on 11th of this month. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.